In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Amazon Associates without an actual website. So in this video, what I'm going to do is simply show you step by step what you need to do in order to still sign up even though you don't have a website. So what you want to do is go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So pretty much go to the website, and then right there you'll see a sign up button. Now if you're new to all of this, what it comes down to is signing up, recommending products, and then earning commissions all the way up to 10%. So click on sign up right there. You can then sign in with your normal Amazon account. All right. So because I'm already signed in, it will skip to this part automatically. If you're not signed in yet, sign in with your normal account. All right. It says sign in or sign up, but that's just for Amazon itself, not Amazon Associates. Once you sign in with your normal account, they will then send you into this page, which is Amazon Associates. Once you're here, you can simply scroll down, and then right there you need to choose whether the main contact for this account is the payee listed above or someone else. So it's probably you, so just leave it at that and then click next. And there we go. So this is the part where you normally need to list your website. But what if you don't have a website? What I recommend doing, and this is how I got approved myself, is by using the channel link from your YouTube account or even your Gmail account. So as of right now, I'm on a random account. So let me go to your channel, and then right there, this is actually a web address and it's your channel. You can use this to sign up. So let me get rid of that one. Let me add this one and then click add. So this is a YouTube channel, but still a website link. So it's probably not the best way to do this if you just have a picture like this and the name like this, but there are guys called, there are a ton of channels, but one of them is called Top Tech Now. And what these guys do is that they create review videos about Amazon products. So if you set up a channel like this and you don't need like this many videos, if you simply upload like 2 or 3 videos, you change your name and come up with a random logo, not like this, not like I just showed you. Make sure that it's actual like appealing, it's an actual channel. You can then copy your channel link and then sign up with that link. It's pretty simple. What you would then do is click next. Then right there, are any of the websites or mobiles under no? Confirm. If that's the case, of course, make sure that that's the case. And then right there, you can pretty much sign up. So what's your preferred associate store ID? You can come up with anything right there. Your website. So this is the channel. What are your websites? So you would right there say, this is a YouTube channel reviewing the best Amazon products in certain categories, just like that, and that will work. That's how I signed up with my main account. I'm not going to reveal that channel on here because otherwise we're going to get a lot of copycats. Hope you understand, but this is what I did. And then you would pretty much fill out this information like you would normally do, and then you can sign up. And that's pretty much how you can sign up without an actual website. So please guys, go ahead and try this. Let me know if it works in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.